Solar fans, we are live right here in Clovis, California, where we've finished yet another quality solar installation from SunPower by Quality Home Services. Now, aside from just superior quality, superior aesthetics, and that 25-year warranty on the whole entire system, this one really worked out well financially. So before solar, she had been paying about $350 a month in just utility costs. She financed the system, now has a payment of about $119 a month, and completely eliminated her PG&E bill. That's what going solar means. Now, this homeowner knew that time is of the essence. See, there is a historic, monumental vote coming up from the California Public Utilities Commission on February 10th that could make rooftop solar much less advantageous. So now is the time to go solar. You must get it installed and operational 120 days from February 10th when that vote takes place. So look into solar now. It is now time to do it. My name is Chris. I'm a solar sales and storage consultant for SunPower by Quality Home Services. We have a whole team of individuals that will help you out today. Call today, get your no-hassle quote, and see how much you can save by going solar today. For more information, give us a call or go to sunpowerbyqhs.com, and we'll be glad to help you today.